There is a code, a pattern older than time itself. It governs the spirals of galaxies, the curves of ocean waves, and even the proportions of the human body. Some call it divine, others see it as the fingerprint of mathematics embedded in reality itself. This is the golden ratio, a number that shapes our world in ways we are only beginning to understand.
One of the most famous patterns in nature is the golden ratio, represented by the number 1.618. This ratio appears when a line is divided so that the larger section relates to the smaller section in the same way the whole relates to the larger part.
Nature is not the only place where this ratio appears. Architects and artists have long used it to create visually pleasing structure. The ancient Greek built the Parthenon with proportions that aligned with P. Leonardo da Vinci embedded it in his paintings. Follow its design principles. Here are some remarkable examples that can be seen around here in Tagbilaran City, Bohol.
The cathedral's proportions reflects the golden ratio, contributing to its balance and grand appearance.
This ancestral house turned into museum. Built in the traditional bahay na bato style, follow the proportion that align with the golden ratio, making it both functional and elegant.
The malls here in Tagbilaran showcase the golden ratio through window placement and proportional spacing, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Repeating patterns like leaf fund create harmony. This principle is reflected in the rhythmic arrangement of glass panels, entrances, and structural elements, ensuring symmetry, fluidity, and visual appeal.
Even contemporary buildings sadly incorporate the golden ratio in their design, ensuring the balance between aesthetics and structure.
Pattern in nature shapes Tagbilaran's architecture.
So, certainly suitable. But what does that have to do with the golden ratio?
Good question. The golden ratio, which is 1.618, helps divide the plate into visually pleasing sections. Watch this. I'll use the ratio to position the inner patterns.
It's like how the golden ratio is used in architecture, proportions that feel naturally balanced.
Exactly. By following the Fibonacci number, we get the spirals that guides the design.
So that makes sense. Plates, buildings, and even nature follow these proportions. That's why everything looks just right.
That makes me think or see things differently. I'm gonna go check my design set plate so that I can see whether they have the golden ratio.
Go for it. But first, that finish is one. Maybe we should try designing a whole set.
And then apply it to buildings next.
Yay! Calm down. Let's do it one step. Okay? Okay.
Patterns are not just coincidences. They are the blueprint of both nature and human design. The same ratio that shapes the growth of a seashell also guides the hands of architects, creating structures that feel naturally beautiful. Perhaps the golden ratio is more than a mathematical rule. It's a bridge between the organic and the engineered, a hidden thread connecting the chaos of nature with the order we seek to create. The question is, are we the ones shaping patterns, or are patterns shaping us?